You how to use the color mixer in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we open the picture, we have to go into the editing menu. We can open the editing menu either by tapping on its either by clicking on its icon or pressing E on the keyboard. Now in this menu we have to scroll down and find the color section. In the color section there is the color mixer option. Here we can select different colors: red, orange, blue and magenta, and manipulate its different aspects. We can manipulate its hue, its saturation and its luminance. What this means is that for example, in the case of red, if we adjust the hue of it and move it to the left, then the reds are going to become a bit closer to magenta, and if we move it to the right, then the reds are going to become closer to orange. If we if we set the saturation of it, moving it to the left are going to desaturate these colors. These colors are going to become grayish here in the light you see it. But if you move it to the right, then they are going to become rich and deep. So 0 saturation and 100% saturation. The luminance is going to darken the reds or brighten them. You can do these adjustments at all of the colors. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.